Let's dive right into this quick and effective 10-minute standing workout designed to target those stubborn love handles. Those areas that can be a bit tricky to tone up. The great thing about this workout is that you don't need any equipment, just your body and a little bit of space. So, let's get moving. First up, we're going to start with some side bends. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Raise your right arm overhead and lean to the left, feeling that stretch along your side. Hold for a second, then switch sides. We'll do this for about 30 seconds. This move not only stretches but also engages your obliques, which are key for trimming those love handles. Next, let's transition into some standing twists. Keep your feet planted and bring your hands together at your chest. Twist to the right, engaging your core, and then twist to the left. This is a great way to work your waistline and improve your rotational strength. Let's keep this going for another 30 seconds. Feel that burn? That's your body working. Now, we're going to add a little cardio to the mix with some high knees. Stand tall and start jogging in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest. Pump those arms. We'll do this for 30 seconds. This move not only gets your heart rate up, but also helps to burn calories, which is essential for melting away those love handles. Time for some lateral leg lifts. Stand with your feet together and lift your right leg out to the side, keeping your core tight. Lower it back down and switch to the left. We'll do this for 30 seconds. This exercise targets your outer thighs and helps to sculpt your waistline. Let's move into some knee raises. Stand tall and lift your right knee towards your chest while bringing your left elbow down to meet it. Alternate sides for 30 seconds. This is a fantastic way to engage your core and work those obliques again. Now, we're going to do some standing side crunches. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and bring your right knee up while crunching your right elbow down towards it. Switch sides and keep alternating for 30 seconds. This move really focuses on those love handles and helps to tighten your midsection. Next, let's get back to some cardio with a jumping jack variation. Instead of jumping, step out to the side while raising your arms overhead. This is a low-impact option but still effective. Let's keep this going for 30 seconds. Feel free to pick up the pace if you're feeling good. Now, we're almost there. Let's finish strong with some torso rotations. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and rotate your torso from side to side, keeping your hips facing forward. This will help to engage your core even more. We'll do this for 30 seconds. Finally, let's cool down with some deep breaths. Inhale deeply, raising your arms overhead, and exhale as you lower them. Take a moment to appreciate the hard work you just put in. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Incorporate this quick workout into your routine a few times a week, and you'll be on your way to melting those love handles away. Keep moving, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey.